Hey, welcome back to this video, and today we are going to install VS Code in this GUI which we installed in previous day. If you don't know, so you can visit and install it. Once you have this, you can follow along. First open your Termux and start the GUI. As we know, at time of starting the GUI I got this error. If you are not getting error, so you can start this, but if you are getting error, so you can solve this error using these commands. Just run this and you can solve this error easily. My GUI is running on localhost 10. Just open your VNC Viewer app and start this GUI. Once started, so you can zoom it and just go here application section and open terminal, new terminal, open and update and upgrade the packages. Once done, you have to install this package which delivered by Termux. Just install this tar repo package. Finally, you can install code server, which is VS Code. Just run this package install code server. Now start the code server using this command code server dash dash auth none. You can see your code server is running on localhost 8080. Directly click on this and Firefox will open, which we installed already in previous video in the GUI video, or you can open manually. So just open Firefox, open new tab and search for localhost colon 8080. I mean localhost 8080, and in a few seconds VS Code is going to be open here, and this is literally amazing. And open new folder. Just I'm going to open folder, and I can also create new file. I'm going to create a new file, HTML file. Now I'm going to create a .md file. Just I created and I have typed hello. Just you can see the preview here, and I can say this is literally amazing. You can say this is not lagging here. You can code very fast here. And in last, I want to say you, if you have installed anything here in this terminal here, this will affect your Termux terminal. Remember, you know we installed here code server, I mean VS Code we installed here, but we can also access this from Termux. I'm going to show you. Open new session and just type code server dash dash auth none, and VS Code is running on localhost 8080. Just open your browser, Chrome browser, any browser you can open, and type localhost 8080, and you can access that VS Code here. So this is all about this video. I hope this help you, and I hope you have installed VS Code on your GUI. Okay, thanks.
And link will be appear in description.